This might be the first time I've watched a robot and genuinely thought, okay, this is starting to feel real. Not a robot doing backflips, not a robot dancing for TikTok, not another carefully scripted demo where it picks up one cube and drops it into a basket. I'm talking about a robot cooking eggs, making smoothies, handling lab equipment, wiring electronics, and even playing piano, completely autonomously. And the craziest part? This thing isn't just being programmed step by step like old robots, it's learning. This is GENE-26.5, and honestly, this could be one of the biggest robotics moments we've seen in years. So here's what makes this different. Most robots today are basically specialists. They're good at one thing, one environment, one routine. Move one object slightly out of place and suddenly the robot looks confused, like it forgot how reality works. But GENE-26.5 is aiming for something way bigger. This system is designed like a robotic brain. It sees the environment, understands instructions, reasons through tasks, and physically manipulates objects with shockingly human-like coordination. And when you watch the demos, you can actually feel the difference. The movements aren't perfect yet. Sometimes the tomato slices are hilariously thick, sometimes it spills stuff. The internet absolutely roasted that omelet. But weirdly, that's what makes it impressive, because it doesn't look like a pre-animated robotics demo anymore. It looks like a machine genuinely trying to operate in the messy real world. And honestly, that's much harder. One-handed egg cracking alone is insanely difficult for robots. Humans don't realize how much tiny muscle control we use every second until you try teaching it to a machine. Pressure control, finger positioning, balance, timing, object tracking. Now imagine doing that while handling fragile objects, slippery surfaces, and unpredictable environments. That's why this matters. GENE-26.5 isn't just showing off robot tricks, it's attacking one of the biggest problems in robotics: how robots actually learn physical skills. And this part is genius. Genesis AI built a robotic hand that mirrors the human hand almost exactly. Then they created a wearable glove that captures human movements in high detail while people simply do normal work. No giant motion capture studio, no expensive Hollywood setup. A person just wears the glove, does their job normally, and every movement becomes training data for the robot. That changes everything, because now robots can learn from massive amounts of real human activity instead of tiny handcrafted data sets. Cooking, cleaning, assembly work, lab tasks, home assistance, everyday actions suddenly become robot education. And on top of that, they're combining this with large-scale simulation training. Basically, the robot can practice thousands of scenarios virtually before touching the real world, which explains why some of these demos already feel weirdly smooth. Now, obviously, we're still early. Some people online think parts are teleoperated. Others are questioning the cuts in the videos. And yeah, skepticism is fair. But even with skepticism, the level of dexterity here is hard to ignore, especially when the robot starts solving Rubik's cubes, handling wires, or casually playing piano keys like it's auditioning for Westworld. And honestly, I think that's why this video is exploding online, because for the first time in a long time, people aren't just watching robots move, they're watching robots work. And that hits differently. We might be looking at the beginning of robots that can actually adapt inside homes, kitchens, hospitals, labs, factories, maybe everywhere. Not perfect robots, not sci-fi androids, but useful ones. And if GENE-26.5 keeps improving at this pace, the idea of a real autonomous home robot suddenly doesn't sound crazy anymore.